Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner, everyday journal, and I am decorating for the week of September 5th onwards. And as you can see, no, it is not actually that week yet. I'm only on, what day is it? The 24th. I am planning ages ahead just so that I don't have to bring a whole ton of stickers with me on vacation. So this is being filled way before the date. Anyway, what I'm decorating with today are some of According to Allie's lined succulents and her summer blooms. I always buy 2 pages of her blooms because I use them in my daily spreads as well as the weekly and in my weeks. Let's get started. The first thing that I normally put down when I'm working with Allie's stickers is her hexagon washi. I feel like this is the perfect complement because it is so neutral. It still catches your eye without taking away from the design of her beautiful florals. And what I love about Allie's florals are, one, they're all hand drawn by her. She's so talented. But two, they're seasonal, but I feel like you can use them whenever, So I'm using the summer blooms because it's not fall yet. And the thing is, fall in Canada here is like so quick. I was saying that last year it was pretty long. So then what I'm going to do is take one of the bigger florals. I'm going to actually cut them in half. Which one do I want to use? Probably this big one. I'm going to cut this one in half because what I want to do is actually place it in the middle between these 2 pages. So let's grab my scissors. Oops. And what seems the most natural? Ooh. Okay. So adding this here. And I know because it's the kids' first week of school, or official first week of school, I should do something school or stationery or book related, but I'm not normally one to decorate for holidays like that. I kind of just fly by the seat of my pants, really. Let's place this down here. Before I do that, I'm going to grab a little piece of washi. And just as a background for it. Ooh. Oh, I like that. And I love the bright colors of this because I get to use bright colored ink. Now, where is it? So I've got my Cross Botanica Green I can never say that. Cross Botanica Green Daylily with Diamine Meadow. And then I have my Pelican M400 with Diamine Autumn Oak, which will go really well. And then I have, if I hit the camera, I apologize, my Pilot Metropolitan, which has Diamine Aurora Borealis, and all 3 of these would go really well in this spread. Now it's just a matter of which one I want to use. I also want to find the appropriate, what are they called? Tombow dual brush pens. One sec. I decided in the end that I'm not going to use any Tombow dual brush pens because I feel like it would add a lot of color, but I already have a lot of color with my fountain pens and fountain pen inks. So let's do the sidebar. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually draw in the graph for my sleep, where I measure my sleep score. So I measure the duration of sleep as well as the quality of sleep. So I brush letter in the word sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and use this adorable sleepy sheep emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then draw in the graph. I'm going to draw this in the black because I'm going to fill it in during the week with my funky colored fountain pens. And then underneath that, I brush letter in the word workout and take another cute weightlifting emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and then write out my schedule of workouts for the week. So now we move to the bottom of this spread where I'm going to keep track of my meals. And again, very simply, I'm just going to brush letter in the word meals and then write in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I realize actually I'm keeping a lot of the basics very neutral with the black, but all of the color is going to come from the stickers as well as the fountain pen ink. So the next thing I'm going to do here is actually write or draw in my work shifts, and then after that I'll go in day to day what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. And this is the kids' first week back at school, so I'm nervous, and I don't know if they're excited or nervous, but yeah. And my schedule is gonna be a little bit weird now. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit weird in terms of like when my lunch is and whatnot, and when I have to go pick up the kids. But again, getting back into routine. So what I'm doing here is just outlining my work shifts, and there. Almost forgot. And then I'm gonna go in with my, where did they go? My work stickers. I could certainly brush letter them in, but there is something to be said about using the own, the stickers that I created for my shop. And yes, Monday is Labor Day, so that'll also be kind of just a day to, I guess, get back into the swing of things. It really is gonna be, let me use this. I'm gonna leave this open because I know there's things that I need to do that day in terms of like laundry or ordering groceries, but also stuff for the shop. And I don't want to write any of that in there yet because I don't know if I'll do it that day or if I'll do it the Sunday that we get back. So I'm gonna leave it open and then add in things like put out the garbages, and finding an emoji for that. Where I don't even have my sticker album out. I'm so disorganized right now. Sticker album. Oh, garbage. There we go. So another cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji. Have to put there that it's the kids' first day of school. You know what? I'm horrible. I don't have... Do I have a first day of school sticker? I do. My own. But I haven't printed any off. What the heck, Karina? No, I haven't printed any off. And I even put that in the wrong spot. So, what I'm going to do is here, kids first day. Oh, so exciting for them. And then what else am I missing for the rest of this week? I can't remember off the groceries. I could already hear somebody saying, Karina, you're forgetting grocery pickup on Thursday. Yeah, you guys are getting to know my routine better than I am, really. So my husband will pick up, that's a huge emoji. My husband will pick up groceries. That's Henry playing upstairs. And then the weekend is, oh, I'm so excited already for that weekend because it's at 9 o'clock. I have a massage. And then Henry starts wall climbing. So 10 o'clock to 11:30. So those are his main activities for that day. Ooh, yay, sticker sheet finished. And then that evening will be more laundry. So let's find a laundry sticker. I feel like that's my Saturday night. Laundry and wine. Anyone else relate? Laundry and wine. Where is my laundry sticker? Oh gosh. I love my laundry stickers. Where'd they go? Oh, there. So this is from Paper Bits Co. And I'll put that here. Laundry. And then on the Sunday, Henry has Ninja. Oh no, that's not the kind I want to use. Henry has Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30. And I know we have cleaning to do. So I think we'll end up doing some cleaning that day. I am going to probably do it on the Saturday. So I'm going to take this cute cleaning sticker. After we get back from Henry's wall climbing, I'm going to do bathrooms and the bathrooms and the kitchen cabinets and appliances, cabs and apps. And then the other chores, see, another sticker sheet finished. And then the other chores are going to be the following day. Let's use a cleaning ninja sticker. And that'll be for the other chores that have to happen on the Sunday. So that will be, let's see, windows, vacuum, dust, and the garbages, GBGS, handles and switches, and also the doors and the baseboards. So there'll be a lot to do on that Sunday. And I think what I also have to do is bed linens. Okay, we don't have any other plans that I know of. Let's see. The last thing I'm going to add is one. Do I want to add one more floral, like right here, to add a little bit more color, like a smaller one? I think so. Where's the washi? Oh, there. I don't know if you guys can see the mess on my table, but it's messy. This is huge. And I can always put boxes on top of it if it's not exactly what I want. But I wanted to add, I always like to add decoration on the Saturday night. And I really don't care if I cover where it says meals. Cute. And then I want to add one more thing because I really want to use the stickers that I bought. These are custom weekend stickers that I had done at Let's Plan It. Ooh. Stay. Perfect. Oh, all right. I really like the look of that. I think it is colorful. I am not in the fall mood yet. Oh, you know what I forgot? Filming. I have to film. And what sticker do I want to use for filming? Oh, that's pretty. Let's use the bright pink here. And this will be interesting because I also have to go to, or get to go to, Weight Watchers. At Sherwood Park. And then I need to film the weeks and the cousin for the following week. Okay, now I think I'm done. All right. Now I can say that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gives you insight on how to keep things, I say simple, but still super colorful, and the way that my weeks go, I know the general schedule, and then I write things in as I go. Okay, but that is it for me again. Thank you guys for sticking around with me, and have yourselves a great day.